Okay, hello Cloud Gurus, and welcome to this very quick lecture on AWS Transit Gateway. So over the years, as the VPCs and networking services within AWS have grown more and more complicated, so has the network architecture. So this could be a typical network architecture. In the top left-hand corner, we've got our customer gateway. This could be an on-premise data center. It's then connecting out using VPN connections to 3 different VPCs, which all might be in the same AWS account, or it might be across multiple AWS accounts. And then those VPCs need to talk to other internal VPCs. So we've got a whole bunch of VPC peering coming in. And then we might have AWS Direct Connect gateway from our headquarters or from another off-premise data center that's connecting into this. And it can all get really, really complicated. And this is just, say, within one region. So what Amazon did is they came out with the AWS Transit Gateway. And this is just a way of simplifying your network topology. It's basically a single point in which all your different network connections can connect into. So whether it be your VPN connections, your AWS VPCs, or even Direct Connect, it all hits Transit Gateway, and then it operates on a hub and spoke model. So you don't need to do all this inter VPC peerings, etc. So really all you need to do going into the exam is understand what Transit Gateway is. It allows you to have transitive peering between thousands of VPCs and on-premise data centers. It works on a hub and spoke model. It works on a regional basis, but you can have it across multiple regions, and you can use it across multiple AWS accounts using Resource Access Manager, and we will cover that off later on in the course, what RAM is. And you can use route tables to limit how VPCs talk to each other inside Transit Gateway, and then it also works with Direct Connect as well as VPN connections. And then finally, it supports IP multicast, and that's not actually supported by any other AWS service. So when going into your exam, if you're given a scenario question where it's talking about how you can simplify your network topology, maybe you've got hundreds of VPN connections coming in, Direct Connect connections, you've got a whole bunch of VPC peering going on, and you also need to support IP multicast, I want you to think of immediately of Transit Gateway. That's all it is. It's a way of simplifying your network architecture or topology, and it always uses a hub and spoke model. So that is it for this lecture, everyone. If you have any questions, please let me know. If not, feel free to move on to the next lecture. Thank you.